Right, taking delivery of basically what they call a key safe that you fix to the wall. Comes nicely boxed up and wrapped. So this is the actual unit. First thing, really solid. Feels very nicely made. Right, let's open it up. Right, so you've got a little switch there, and obviously you're going to have to set your own combination. And that opens this very nicely solid sprung door. And inside you've got your wall plugs and fixing screws. There's an instruction manual or instruction leaflet, and that will tell you how to change the lock number. So what I think I like about these is obviously it's very, very solid, and don't put it by the front door, hide it, put it somewhere that you can tell someone that's where my spare key is. I like the fact you can change the combination as many times as you like. Like I say, the fixing and the instruction leaflet it comes with it tells you how to do everything. So it's not hard to reset a different combination, but as you can see here, there's a reset. And like I say, it's not going to be too complicated to change the numbers, but when you close it, I mean, you can hear. So that you know it's closed. But I think it's nice. I think it's really nice. I think for the price, it's good value. Size-wise, let's have a look. I've got a tape measure here. Size-wise, this is about 4 4¾ inches, and it's about under 3.5 wide, and it's got a depth of 1¾ so it's not massive, but like I say, I wouldn't stick it by my front door. I'll hide it to the right location, and if someone's got to come into the house for any reason, just tell them, and obviously give them the code, and then once they've been, just change the code. So anyway, thanks for watching my video. I shall put the link to buy this up with the video.